Today we're taking a look at the wireless charging stand. Comes with 2 power cables, Type C, Type C, also just a 2-prong plug cable, but let's take a look at the unit itself. Oh, this is nice. And we will be testing this out just to make sure that it does work, my friends. So, wow. Alright, so you can charge. You got a Type C and a USB port. That's for the power plug port. So this just pulls up, and you can charge multiple devices, watches, all kinds of different devices with this. It's nice. So we're going to test out the Type C charging port. Go from there. Just plug this in here, and that's going to get plugged in here. All right, we are then going to take our power supply cable and plug that in. And plug this in. All right, and there we go. Charging. You can see, let's see. There you go, charging it showed. So the Type C charging works great. Charging so it's charging rapidly. That's what the RAP means. So it's got rapid charging with the Type C. Very nice. And of course, you have wireless charging. We have metal in the back here, so our phone's not going to wirelessly charge, but definitely rapid charging and overall a nice little unit.